So I just arrived at the Lucy Stern Theater in Palo Alto. I'm here for a publicity photo shoot for Bright Star, which is the fall show here at Palo Alto Players. The Lucy Stern Theater is used by 2 other production companies, West Bay Opera and Theater Works, which you may have heard of because they just won a Tony this year. Really exciting stuff. But because we share the space with 2 other companies, we're not always given access to all the dressing rooms and everything like that. So I don't know what room we're going to be setting up in yet, but we'll find out. So apparently Theater Works currently has control over the space. They're doing a show right now. I'm in the green room and I found really cute costume sketches. It looks like here you can see where all the actors are supposed to be and when throughout the show. And then here are costume sketches, which are really beautifully done. So I've made sort of a makeshift salon with this mirror here. I'm now just waiting for people to arrive because I'm really early. I thought I was gonna be like 10, 15 minutes and I'm like 20 minutes early, so just gonna chill. So Elizabeth is doing her own makeup today. I am just providing the wig.
Auburn?
It's auburn,
yeah.
But it's darker than I know we were originally discussing, but I still think it's beautiful. And depending on the lighting, it might look more red or less red. Because I've had red wigs that did not look red at all once they put lighting on, and vice versa. And so the reason I chose this was I just felt it was really versatile. There were some that only had lace in certain parts, but I wanted the ability to switch the parts. Also, the curl pattern, the waves, are very classic and kind of anytime. And I could have made it like soup, you know, I can add more curls, like if you really want to swoop, this is somewhat heat resistant, so I can use a curling iron and add a few more. I was told that your character goes from the 20s to the 40s on stage. So there's no opportunity for a wig change when normally that would be a perfect way to show time passing. But since your character doesn't have that, to me this was like a good every time period look. So I like it. But yeah, if we want more waves, we can definitely add them. So sometimes I get wigs from like a wholesale place because I'm a fancy hairdresser person who can get the wholesale deals. But they don't have, the company that I like to go to, they don't have a huge lace front selection. And the ones they do have, it's like a plasticky lace that kind of itches. And I've found that they don't fit a lot of people's hairlines. So I've been going to Amazon lately. I feel like I'm cheating kind of when I buy things from Amazon. Because I'm like, anyone can get something from Amazon. Like, you know, you're a professional, you should have professional stuff. I'm like, but it's so good.
That's so neat.
Gives it double.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
I know, it's like one of my faves. I have a whole YouTube video about it, how it's like my favorite wig cap of all time. Yeah, it's on Amazon. Amazon Prime. Now I have noticed the nude one is looser than the black one, but that could have been a one-time fluke, or that could be, like, you know what I mean? Like it could be a different manufacturer or something. When I'm doing dark hair, sometimes I like to have a darker wig cap in case it moves. So the lace has not been cut yet, so obviously it'll be in your eyes. Okay. So if you want to kind of grab, there's a little peek I think we can use as a.
Oh.
And there are little combs built in. Oh yeah, that color does look good on you. So generally I leave a little extra lace, and then by the time opening night comes, I usually end up chopping more back. I mean, I know in theater you're supposed to always leave that because people put, they'll anchor it down with spirit gum or with toupee tape, but then you get like a weird sticky residue, and I just never ended up. Completed look is done. Yes, nice, looking good, looking good. Oh, see, she's practicing for the photo shoot already. It's looking
16,
good.
do I look 16?
Going
21?
on 17.
21?
21's good
21?
enough. So the photo shoot's not ready to get started yet, and I have to run to a dance class. So hopefully we'll get some other footage from other people's
They'll
phones.
share some with you.
Thank you. Okay, we'll have fun.